Welcome to WebHarvey tutorial series. In this video we will see how WebHarvey can be configured to extract products listed under various categories of e-commerce websites. So if you go to our website, under help section you can see that there is a page called category scraping, and there are two options under this, and we will be using the multi-level category scraping feature in this video. And basically this feature is aimed at extracting products listed under various categories and subcategories of websites, mainly e-commerce websites. So we are aiming to extract the entire product catalog displayed by a website using a single configuration. So let's follow an example. I have already loaded a page within WebHarvey which has data listed under several categories, and these are the categories, and under each category you can see that there are more subcategory links. So let's see how the configuration process is for this requirement. And for that, the first step is to load the page which displays the main category links. And once you have done that, you go to the actions menu and click on the select category links option. And once you click it, WebHarvey will ask you to click on the first category link. You click OK, and I click on the first category link, which is this, and WebHarvey will now scan the remaining category links, as you can see, and it will now follow the first clicked category link. And WebHarvey is now loading the subcategory pages for the supermarket, as you can see, and inside this page there are more subcategories. So we repeat the same process. You go to the actions menu and click on the select category links option, and WebHarvey will again ask you to click on the first subcategory link, and then it will scan the remaining category links, and you can click OK, and it will load the first subcategory link which we clicked on. And now we have reached the final listings page from which we need to extract data. And in this website you can see that more products are loaded in the same page as you scroll down. So now we can start the configuration. So basically in this feature, while using this feature, you start configuration once you have reached the page which displays the product listings. If the page still has more category links, you repeat the same process of selecting them by clicking the select category links option from actions menu. And now since I have reached the page which displays the actual products, I can go back to the home menu and click the start configuration button and start selecting data. So let's select a few sample data items from this page, like the name and price. I can also select the product detail page URL. I can also click on the product link and follow it to get more details, but to keep this example and configuration simple, we are selecting data only from the start page. And since we need to get items from multiple pages, let's configure pagination, and for that we go to the configuration tab and click on the scroll to load next page under pagination options. Now this is because this page loads more data in the same page as you scroll down. There are various types of paginations. For example, there are next page links which you can configure, and to know more about various types of pagination you can refer the video description below, where you can find the link to the respective section in our website. Now I have selected all required details. I have also selected the pagination method, and now I can stop the configuration and start mining. Now before I start mine, I can go to settings, and there is a page specifically for category and keyword scraping, where there is an option called tag with category keyword. Now if you enable this option, WebHarvey will automatically add an additional column in the data table in the miner window, and this column will be filled with the URL of the listings page from which the data was extracted. Now this helps you to categorize the various products. Finally, you will know where the product came from, and I have enabled this option and I apply, and I can start mining, and I click the start button, and Webharvey will now traverse the entire category tree of the website and try to get the product details from the entire website. So you can see that data is extracted from the first category link, and this is the URL from which the first page data came from. Now it will proceed to the second category. You can see here that that category page link has changed, and Webharvey will try to extract product details from the second category. We have requested only 2 pages to be extracted from each category, and you can see that data from the second category has also started to come in the data table. So we hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, you can contact our support as always, or refer to our website for more details. Thank you.